Hi friends, welcome to my channel Web Techie. I am Sudhakar Reddy. Friends, in this video I am going to explain you how to create a layer masking, how to use layer masking using Photoshop. Friends, you can see this output here. Using the layer mask, I got this output. Friends, if you can see, there are two pictures here. If you can see clearly, observe this. There are two pictures. One is this one, snow with some rocks and other part, and some other picture is some fishes underwater scene. It is not a one picture. It got two pictures here. So friends, you all know that when you mix two pictures, two images together, you will get a sudden change from one picture to another picture. But here if you can see, there is a smooth change from this picture to this underwater picture here, or we can say that underwater this picture to this one. So there is a smooth blending is there in between these two pictures, which is possible with the help of layer masking using Photoshop. So friends, let us create this one. I am going to show you that how to get this effect today. So first of all, let me just come back to out of this. Let me come out of this full screen. I can press F here in Photoshop. So I have two images, separate images. This one I am going to close it. This one I just close it. We'll create it once again. Right. I have two images, friends. You can see this. This is a picture. There is selection. I'll remove it. There are two pictures. One picture is this one, and one more picture is about like this. These are the two different images, and I'm going to club this together. I'm going to club together here. So what I'll do is, first of all, I'll take this image. I'll select this entire picture. So if you want to select this entire picture, you can press Ctrl A or Command A if you are using Macintosh. Or you can use something called Select A here, select all. So this will select the entire picture. And I'm going to copy this. You all know that how to copy it, but I'm going to show you with the menu part here. Ctrl C you can use it, or you can use copy C here. So I'm using copying here, and I want to take a new file. I'll take a new file here, and I'm not changing these settings here. So that means whatever I copied it will be there in the clipboard. The clipboard size it is going to take it. I'm not going to change all the settings. Just I'll say OK here. And this is empty file without any picture. Now whatever I copied it, I will paste into this file. So you all know that how to paste it, right? So Control V if you are using Windows, or Command V if you are using Macintosh, or we can use edit and paste also. This way also we can use it. So I'm pasting it like this. So it is a one picture. Now I want to bring one more picture also, and I want to paste it into this file. So we have one more file, this file here, right? So I want to select this entire picture. So Command A or Control A, or we can use select all here, and I'm going to copy. Control C or Command C if you are using Macintosh, and go to this file and paste it here. I'm going to paste it. Control V or Command V. Now it is pasted. Friends, if you can see this, these two images are not same size, especially height and width. You can see there's a lot of space is there. I want to increase the size of this picture, and in fact in previous videos, if you can see my channel, there is a one video about how to transform an image, how to change the size of the image. So here I'm going to change the size of this image. So we can use shortcut, or we can go to the menu also. Let me go to the menu here. So shortcut also it is there for that. Command T or Control T you can use it. Command T if you are using Macintosh, Control T if you are using Windows. And here I am using scale. Directly I am coming here, scale. Directly also you can come to edit and transform and scale. So those who don't have the knowledge of this transformation, please watch my channel, web techie. In that there is a tutorial on how to transform an image. So here I'm going to transform this because there is a lot of space. I want to increase this image, so I'm going to increase it diagonally. It is better always diagonally you can increase it. It's better you hold down the shift button so that you will get a proportionate image here. Now this is fine, only height I am filling it, not width. Press enter to come out of that. And I will move this picture right side of this picture or left side, wherever you want it. I want to move it with the move tool, and because this will become a layer. Friends, if you can see, there is a layer panel here. When you paste it, where every time you paste an image, it will become a layer. So layer 1 and layer 2 is created. I am in layer 2 here. Now you can see there is a picture, two pictures are there, and you can see there is a sudden change. I don't want this sudden change here. I want smooth blending from this picture to this picture. Now friends, here I am going to explain you that masking here. If you want to blend from this picture to this picture, we need masking. So in layer menu, we have a layer menu. If we can see layer, which contains many options here, and one option you can see layer mask. But before that, let us see here which layer I selected, because we have a background. So let me show you once again. See, we have a background, that is when you take the new file you will get a background, and we pasted one image first time, that is a layer 1, that is mountains and this snow, and there is one more image here, layer 2. See, layer 2 here. Now friends, I am in layer 2 now. See, we can go to the layer 1 background like this. I am in layer 2 now, that is a top layer. I am in layer 2. Now I am going to the layers here, layer menu, and here you can choose, friends, layer mask. So there is a one option called layer mask and reveal all. Choose this option. Now I am clicking on that, but still there is no change at all. And you can see, friends, here if you come to this layer palette here, there is a link here. Can you see there is a chain link here? Because of this layer mask, once you add a layer mask, you will get this picture like this here. Means it is masked here. Now I am going to show you that how to blend this picture and this picture properly. After layer masking, go to the gradient tool. In that you have to choose the linear gradient. So we have a gradient tool here, if you can see this gradient, and so we have this different types of gradations. One is linear, one more is radial, one more is a diagonal, one more is reflected one more is diamond. We have different types. Friends, I suggest you to take only linear gradient. Take the linear gradient, because this output, if you can see, it is linear, straight one is there. So that's why I prefer linear gradient. And here you will find so many colors. There are so many colors. In my system, it is by default is black and white. So in your system, it may be like this color will be there, or it may be some other color, it may be some other color. Friends, I suggest you to take only black and white here. Take black and white. So I'm taking black and white color here. And if you don't have this black and white in your color palette, please comment in my video. I'll explain you that how to change the colors also in the next video. So I request all my viewers here, please comment me whatever you say with the picture, if the designing, whether the video is good or not or anything. If you can comment it, I can't do that, I can prepare some more videos related to the Photoshop, related to the HTML, related to the CSS, related to the so many other software programs which I am going to explain it. So fine. So I took this linear gradation and black and white. Now you apply black and white color from here to here. It's better you hold on the shift button, because see this, I want a straight line here. If you hold on the shift button, it will become straight. If you are not holding the shift button in your keyboard, it may not come straight. So I'm taking it from here to here. See this. Wow, we got a a beautiful output here, beautiful blending in between the two images, which is very, very, very important for any designing. It will be much effective, friends. So here we used black and white. So I used black from here to here. Black is starting here and white is here. Black will remove the area and white will remain same here like this. See, if I apply black and white from here to here, see if I drag it from right to left in this, so you are getting the masking right side. So don't do that. We want the two pictures are mixing this side. So it's better you mix it from this side to this side. Right? So this is how we can use the layer masking. With this layer masking, we can create many more effects like this. In future videos, I am going to explain you that so many other examples also. So for that, please subscribe my channel, comment it, and if possible, please share to the number of people. So thank you. Thank you for watching.